Alright. It takes about 16 minutes, 16 seconds to start the battle. Here I am selecting the light robot Jesse. It is equipped with the aphids, which accuracy is decreased, and then another robot slot, it has geckos whose power is increased. So we will be first testing with the gecko. The speed is good. So you can see here that this robot is already faster than all other robots present. And it is focusing. So we target this rhino, I guess. So the damage is critical, and here it dies. So we could not test the aphids here, but now I'll select the new heavy prototype number 1, and the robo here is Butch. Let's get some enemy in range of 500 meters. Here it is. We'll check out. As soon as we press the fire button all the weapons fire at once. The damage is very less. Can be increased. Once again, we press the fire button, all the 6 missiles launch up and a very less damage occurs. Change its order. Again, similarly, very less damage occurs. In this prototype number 1 of heavy weapons, all the weapons fire all at once by single press of a button. You can see here I press the button once and all the missiles are launched. Here it dies. Now we'll go for prototype number 2 with the Rajin. This is my first time I am using Rajin, so sorry for the movements and all. I'll just launch it in Bashan mode. I press the button, all the weapons launch. I guess there were more missiles than the earlier one. This is the prototype number 2, heavy weapon prototype number 2. Yeah, just only 6 missiles, no change. Let's see the damage here. Let's say for this enemy as a fire. And similar, there is no damage at all. They say that the damage in the prototype number 2 is 2000 per missile, and in the one it was about 4000, but we cannot see much of difference here. Let's check it once more. And not much of a difference. I'll change my robot. Here is my Carnage. It is fitted with the heavy prototype number 3. That is something 3800 or some damage. And yeah, here is the difference. When we press the button, fire button once, only one missile from each of the weapon fires. So for launching all the 6 missiles, we have to press it 3 times. And this is showing a bit of damage, I guess, from close. Once again, I'll check it. Yeah. The damage of all the 3 prototypes is overall reduced and equal, but yeah, this one is more better because it's in our control. The number of times we touch the fire button, only one missile from each weapon will fire. Now let's check with the heavy robot Fury. In this one, as we move from the left to right, the first weapon on the left is prototype number 3, then prototype number 2, and the rightmost is prototype number 1. So it is in reducing order 3, 2 and 1. I will lock on to the target at 600 meter. I will launch the prototype number 3. And we can see here single missile fires at single touch. The same target with the prototype number 2, we touch once and all the missiles fire. And prototype number 3, we touch once, all the missiles fire. There is not much of difference between the damage output, but yeah, the prototype number 3 is better one here, because if we increase the power of the prototype number 3, then it is totally in control, and these new weapons are good, better than the last one on the test. So here it ends my demo of the weapons. I'll be posting another video of the robots and the changes they have made in the Leo and Rogatka and every other robots. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below. It's your friend AP signing out. Thanks Pixonic for this.